Today I'm going to help you out with the commonly asked phrase, how do I print at MSU? Can you help me print my essay? Step 1. On your browser, you're going to want to go to print.msu.edu and it will bring up the following page. Step 2. Once at print.msu.edu, you will have to add credit by either using Spartan Cash, credit card, or using the Student Receivables e-bill. Now it's time to print your document. You want to click on Web Print, where you will now see a Job Submit button. Click on that. Now you should see these options, black and white and color with both sides and one-sided. Today we are going to pick black and white, one-sided, and have one copy of our essay. It's important to note the following formats before pushing upload. Now it's time to go find our Word document here, and now we're going to drag it back in, and we are going to push upload and complete. We're getting close, but we're not quite done yet. We want to go to held in queue, then we want to drag on over to print. Now we're going to scroll down and find the Hubbard Engagement Center printer where we are today. Oh, we're almost there. We are almost there. Oh, look at that. We found it. Yay. Now we're going to scroll to our left and hit that green thing. And then we are going to queue it up. That queuing process automatically sends it to the printer. And now you have your printed job.